Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy Tutorials with Norelle. I'm so glad you could join me today. If you've ever felt frustrated by technology, you're not alone. Many of us, especially our wonderful seniors, encounter common tech issues that can be a bit daunting. Today, we're going to tackle some of these issues together and provide simple solutions that you can easily follow. So, grab a cozy seat, maybe a cup of tea, and let's dive right in. Let's start with a very common issue, forgetting passwords. It happens to the best of us. If you find yourself staring at the login screen, completely stumped, here's what you can do. First, take a deep breath. Most websites and apps have a forgot password feature. Look for a link or button that says forgot password or reset password. It's usually right below the login box. Go ahead and click it. You'll be guided through the steps to reset your password. Usually they'll send a code to your email or phone number to verify it's really you. Have you ever thought about using a password manager app? It's like a digital vault for all your passwords. These apps can securely store all your passwords so you don't have to remember them all. Plus, they can help you generate new strong passwords that are much harder for hackers to guess. A few popular options are LastPass, 1Password, and Dashlane. Many of them have free versions, so you can try them out and see which one you like best. If you'd prefer not to use an app, you can always go the old-fashioned route and write down your passwords in a notebook. Just be sure to keep this notebook in a safe place at home. Now, let's talk about slow computers or devices. We've all been there. It can be really frustrating when everything takes forever to load, but don't worry, there are a few things you can do to speed things up. First, let's check if you have too many programs running at the same time. If you have a lot of applications open, it can make your computer feel slow and sluggish. So, take a peek at your screen. Do you see multiple programs or windows open? If so, go ahead and close any apps that you're not actively using. Another helpful tip is to run disk cleanup. This is a handy tool on Windows computers that helps remove unnecessary files and free up space on your hard drive. To find it, simply click on the Start menu, usually located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Then type in Disk Cleanup in the search bar and click on the app when it appears. Has your device been on for a while? If so, it might just need a good restart. To restart your computer, simply click on the Start menu again and look for the power button. From there, choose the restart option. Make sure your operating system and your apps are all up to date. If you've tried all these tips and your device is still running slow, it might be time to ask a family member for help in checking if it needs a memory upgrade. Next, let's tackle those pesky connectivity problems. It's so frustrating when you can't get online, right? Whether you're trying to check your email, browse the web, or video chat with loved ones, a good internet connection is essential. So, if you're having trouble connecting to Wi-Fi, don't panic. Here are a few things to check. First, let's make sure your device is actually connected to the right network. Sometimes we accidentally connect to a neighbor's Wi-Fi without even realizing it. To check, look for the Wi-Fi icon on your computer or tablet. Click on that icon and it will show you a list of available networks. Make sure you're connected to your own Wi-Fi network. If you're sure you're connected to the right network but still having trouble, a good old-fashioned restart can often work wonders. This time, we're going to restart your router. To restart your router, simply unplug it from the power outlet, wait about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. While you're at it, you can also restart your computer or device as well. Once both are back on, try connecting to the Wi-Fi again. If you've tried all of these steps and you're still having trouble connecting, don't worry. There's no need to feel lost or alone. Reach out to a family member or friend who's comfortable with technology. Now let's talk about those moments when an app or software crashes. You're in the middle of something important and suddenly the app freezes or closes unexpectedly. It's annoying, right? But don't worry. There are a few simple things you can try. First, let's try the classic close and reopen the app. Often, this simple step is all it takes to resolve minor glitches. To close an app on your computer, simply click the X in the top right corner of the app window. On a tablet or smartphone, you can usually swipe up from the bottom of the screen to see a list of open apps, then swipe up on the app you want to close. Once the app is closed, try opening it again and see if the problem is resolved. If closing and reopening the app didn't fix the issue, the next step is to check for updates. Outdated apps can sometimes cause crashes. To check for updates, head over to your device's App Store. On an Apple device, that would be the App Store. And on an Android device, it would be the Google Play Store. Once you're in the App Store, search for the app that's giving you trouble and see if there's an update button. If the app continues to crash even after updating it, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling it. Restarting your device can sometimes clear up any temporary software glitches that might be causing the app to crash. Video calls are a wonderful way to connect with family and friends, especially those who live far away. It's like having them right there in the room with you. But sometimes we can run into a few hiccups. If you're having trouble with video calls, don't fret. I've got some easy tips to help you troubleshoot. First, let's check the basics, your camera and microphone. Make sure they're properly connected and that the video calling app you're using has permission to access them. To check your camera, take a look at the top of your computer screen or the bezel of your phone or tablet. Do you see a small camera lens? Make sure there's nothing covering it up. If you're using an external webcam, make sure it's plugged in and switched on. Next, let's check the microphone. On most devices, you'll find a small microphone icon near the camera lens. Speak a few words to see if the device is picking up your voice. You can also test your microphone directly in the video calling app's settings. A strong and stable internet connection is crucial for smooth video calls. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these tips help you feel more confident in tackling common tech issues. Remember, you're never too old to learn something new, and with a little patience and practice, you can master these tech skills in no time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Savvy Tutorials for more easy-to-follow tech tips. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who might find it useful. See you next time.